Welcome to our video tutorial about UProc for WordPress, a WordPress plugin that you can add for free to validate any email entered in your site using UProc platform. This plugin is able to discard email with wrong format, invalid or disposable domains, free domains like Gmail, Yahoo, or Hotmail, and non-existent recipients. You only need to search our plugin from plugins at new menu. Type UProc for WordPress and push enter. Plugin will appear. Click on install now and activate to enable it. New plugin menu will appear under settings UProc for WordPress. If you click it, you will access plugin settings page. If you are a new UProc user, follow plugin instructions. You have to sign up at UProc and confirm received email to get new credentials. Some balance will be added to your account for free to test plugin. Complete received credentials, email, and API key in settings page and save it. If you use this plugin, you will be able to validate any email received in your site. You can use next options: validate email on registration for new users, validate email for comments, hook to is email. This option is required if you want to validate any email in your forms. Check emails on orders, enable it to check emails for WooCommerce orders, or accept free emails. If not enabled, you will only accept non-free valid email domains. If checked, all valid emails will be accepted by your site. Please take in consideration that these rules are only applied to front-end section. Any email checked in validate value avoids these rules, and validation will be charged to your account. You can check as many emails as you want from this section, like this one, and you will get a real-time response about this mail. Please check faqs available in our plugin page at uproc.io. Leave any doubt or question in WordPress plugin support area, or use our online chat. I hope you will find useful this add-on, and remember, you only have to sign up and log in. It's completely free and you will be able to process any email from your site. Enjoy it.